Ready to ditch traditional banking hassles and embrace a sleek, digital experience? Let's get your N26 account opened in just a few simple steps. First, download the N26 app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can start the process on your computer by visiting the N26 website. Tap on Sign Up and enter your email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. Accept their terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now, fill in your personal information accurately. This includes your name, date of birth, address, and nationality. Make sure everything matches your official documents to avoid delays. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. N26 accepts passports and government IDs. Have these ready, as you may need to take a photo or scan them with your phone camera. Depending on your country of residence, you might need to complete a quick video call with an N26 identification specialist. Follow their instructions carefully and have your ID ready for verification. Choose the N26 account type that best suits your needs. They offer different plans with varying features and fees. Review each carefully before selecting. After your identity is verified and your account type is selected, you'll be prompted to set up a PIN for your MasterCard, and for the app, choose something secure but easy for you to remember. Congratulations, your N26 account is now open. Your MasterCard should arrive within a few days. Activate it through the app once it arrives and start enjoying the benefits of modern banking.